We have given 8 power 5 plus 8 power 4 plus 8 power 3 plus 8 power 2 plus 8 power 1 plus 8 power 0 is equal to what? Let's see the solution. First of all, we suppose S is equal to sum of the above expression S is equal to 8 to the power 0 plus 8 to the power 1 plus 8 squared plus 8 cube plus 8 power 4 plus 8 power 5. Therefore, S is equal to 8 power 01 plus 8 power 1 plus 8 power 2 plus 8 power 3 plus 8 power 4 plus 8 power 5. Now we will have to multiply both sides of this expression by 8. Therefore 8s is equal to, when we multiply 8 by 1 we get 8, that is 8 to the power 1, and write 8 to the power 1 below 8 to the power 1, plus when we multiply 8 to the power 1 by 8 we get 8 square, and write 8 square below 8 square. In this way, plus 8 cube plus 8 to the power 4 plus 8 to the power 5 plus 8 to the power 6. Now we will have to subtract the lower expression from the above expression. Therefore, subtracting when we subtract the lower expression from the above expression, the sign of lower expression will be changed. Therefore, s minus 8s equal to 1 minus 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 minus, cancel 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 cancel, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 8 to the power 6. S minus 8s minus 7s equal to 1 minus 8 to the power 6. Now we will have to multiply both sides by minus 1. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, we get minus 1 into minus 7s equal to minus 1 into 1 minus 8 to the power 6. Therefore, minus 1 into minus 7s equal to minus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 8 to the power 6 plus 8 to the power 6. Therefore, s is equal to 8 to the power 6 minus 1 divided by 7, taking 7 right hand side. Therefore, 8 power 5 plus 8 power 4 plus 8 power 3 plus 8 power 2 plus 8 power 1 plus 8 power 0 is equal to 8 to the power 6 minus 1 whole divided by 7. This is our required answer. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.